Hi, we're at West Virginia, Summer Point, and interviewing number one right now with the Motorist Racing Federation, and this is Samuel Wong's truck. And this is his racing truck. You guys can see that pictures. It's him, and his number is 67. He's currently number one. And now we're going to interview the champ. This is the first time Sam racing at this. Hi, Sam.
Hi, how are you?
Your viewer interested in why you want to race this federation this time?
I haven't been to this track in 4 years, and I heard they did a lot of improvements. I thought I'd come see for myself.
Yeah, so it's 4 years ago. That was the first time you were here.
Yes.
So how do you think about now, the track?
It's very nice, it's very smooth, it's better than before.
So what's this federation called?
It's called CCS.
So I heard that they mixing 250 and 300.
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yep, the
so,
Ninja 250 and 300.
As a pro, what do you think about that?
Well, I haven't raced yet against the 300, but a lot of people are complaining because it has more horsepower.
Yes.
And we'll see this weekend how
it's not fair, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll see how it is this weekend.
Okay, so who's your sponsor?
Ohio Motorcycle.
Okay,
you can
and
see it here.
All right. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Tell us about your bike.
This is a Ninja 250.
Okay.
2012.
Made it by?
And made by Kawasaki.
Okay, how long have you been riding it?
I've been racing this. This is my second year.
Okay.
And let me put my tire warmers on.
Okay.
Because they're going to cool down.
So this is called tire warmer.
Yeah, you got to heat these tires up and
okay.
keep them hot.
All right.
That way they're stickier and you get more traction.
So how much are these tire warmers pretty much around the range?
About $400 to $500.
And for a beginner, what brand you would suggest?
Probably Chicken Hawk.
Okay.
Chicken Hawk. They've been really good to me.
Okay. Oh, cool. Look at them. Okay, if you want to join this kind of racing, so that would be where to go. So how long you are going to warm up your tire?
Probably about 40 minutes.
Okay, 40 minutes.
And then I'm going to, every time I come in, I don't want them to cool down, so I want to put them back on.
So your tire is hard, medium, or soft today?
These are soft.
It's soft.
Yeah, so it's not very hot today, so I wanted softer tire.
So when you decide what tire you use, it depends on the weather.
The temperature and the track surface.
So to determine which tire you use.
Yeah.
So each time you travel, you bring all of it.
Yeah, bring different tires, or you buy them at the track.
Okay. So who you can buy on the track?
You can buy them from, there's a couple different tire vendors. Bridgestone is here, Dunlop, and Michelin is here.
Okay.
And I think Pirelli is here too. I buy Bridgestones for this bike here.
Okay, so you prefer Bridgestone?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. So we will interview you when you come back from your second practice.
Okay, thank you.
Right, congratulations.
Bye-bye.